Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn if you're new here, and if you're not, shout out to you for coming back. So I had no idea what I was gonna film today. It is super gloomy outside. It's been raining for the past 2 days, and yeah, I've been feeling super lazy, not wanting to do any videos, but I had to snap myself out of that and say I need to film. So now I am back filming, and I didn't know what video I was gonna film today, but I looked outside. I had a new PR package from Covergirl, and they sent me like everything to do a full face of makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys the package because I literally just got it in the mail like 20 minutes ago. So this is what the PR package looks like. It comes with 20 foundations. Boom. Came with foundation, powders, concealers, contour and correct, highlighters, a primer, lips. Came with a couple lip options. Can you see my nail? And more eyes, some liners, some eyeshadow, and yeah, let's just get started. I feel so washed out. So they did not send me a eye primer, so I'm just going to prime my eyes. So just to be sure that my colors are going to show up, I'm going to prime my eyes with a lighter concealer. My eyes, I will be using this full spectrum Covergirl eyeshadow palette, and it is in the color Reverence. So they're really pretty colors. This is what it looks like. So the first color I will be taking is this light brown. This brown right here. It's a matte color. And see how this shows up on my eyes. So the color was actually really pigmented, and it showed up so good on my skin. I love that brown color. It is such a good transition color. I look a little washed out, so you can't see the color so much on my eyes, but trust me, it showed up. And now I am just applying a little like cream color just to give myself kind of like a little pin-up type of look. Not really, that's not what I was going for, but that's what came out. You know, it's okay. So there was a couple browns in this palette, and this one that I'm putting in my outer corner is my favorite. It has like a reddy tint to it, like a brick brown. So I really enjoyed this color, and as you guys can see, it is so pigmented. Shout out to Covergirl. Ew. Now that my eyes are done, I just threw on some lashes. They are the Demi Wispies, and I'm going to try this Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Mattifying Skin Primer. It has SPF 20, so if you're taking pictures, this is a no-no. Ooh. Shook it. So I am my winter shade right now, which is not my favorite, but what can I do? There's no sun out right now. Anyways, I have 3 colors that I can choose from, I think. So the colors are 300, 325, and 315. I think 325 is probably going to be a little too dark for me. Yeah, it's going to be a little too dark. So, and I also think 315 is going to be a little too dark. So I'm going to try 300. Ooh, and I tried 310, but 310 was a little too, how can I say, the undertone was off. So I'm gonna try 300, and this is in Tan Cool 1. So. And I'm gonna try 315 on the other side, because I think 300 might be just a tiny bit too. So I'm gonna mix 300 and 315, and that's what I'm gonna use. Damn, I look so washed out. So this foundation, it's okay. It's a nice foundation, but it's not giving me anything like... It's not giving me anything to be like, wow. It's just pretty. It's very natural. I have this scar right here that nothing seems to be able to cover. So, but I did have to mix shades to get my perfect color. But overall, I mean, it looks like my skin. It looks like, I'm gonna have to try it out more. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Full Spectrum Covergirl All Day Idol Brightening Concealer. And so the colors are not on the actual concealer, they're on the box. So it would have been cool to have them on the concealers. But the colors I am using is 370 and 300. I think this is 370, the more golden tone, and the 300 is this more neutrally type of color. So I'm going to be using the 370. It's like a completely different, okay, no. Okay, I'm gonna try 300 because 370 was way too yellow green, as you guys can see. Okay, 300's better. I almost feel like the concealer shades aren't going with the foundation shade. But the applicator feels so nice. lash line, I'm going to just be using the browns that I use. My lips, I already lined them, but I didn't like that lip liner. I'm gonna use this color by Italia called Taupe.